solve and verify that your result satisfies the equation. And the equation that we're given is negative 9 equals 3x over 4. So what we want to do is solve this equation. In other words, find a value for x that makes this a true statement. To do that, we want to get x all by itself on one side of the equal sign. Currently, x is on the right side of the equal sign, and it's been multiplied by 3 over 4. This could be written as 3 over 4x, and it will be the same thing. So it's been multiplied by 3 over 4. We need to do the inverse of that. To do the inverse, we want to multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction that it's been multiplied by. We want to multiply by 4 over 3, which is the reciprocal of 3/4. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side of the equation so that things stay in balance. So we'll also multiply the negative 9 on the left-hand side by 4 over 3. Now here we have 3 in the numerator and denominator. We have 4 in the numerator and denominator. And what are we left with on the right-hand side? We're left with x all by itself, because we had 1 in the numerator and denominator. The other side of the equation, I'm going to add that 1 in the denominator with the negative 9 so that we can line things up nicely. And we'll see that 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into negative 9, negative 3. Now we'll multiply across. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. And 1 times 1 are denominators. That's 1, so we don't need to write that denominator of 1. So we get the solution x equals negative 12. Now we're asked to also verify that solution. To verify the solution, we'll take the original equation, negative 9 equals 3x over 4, and we'll plug in the solution that we got, negative 12. And we will get negative 9 equals 3 times negative 12 over 4. And again, we can reduce common factors in the numerator and denominator. 4 goes into 4 one time, and into negative 12, negative 3. So now we still have that negative 9 on the left-hand side of the equation. And on the right-hand side, we have 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. So we have ended up with a true statement, which is a verification that our result did satisfy the equation, and x equals negative 12 is our solution.